Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly select all the clips that you're working on your project on CapCut using any platform that you're on, be it mobile or the actual CapCut app or the browser version or the browser site for CapCut. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is very simple, and if you guys are on your PCs or desktops like me, the idea is we would first want to log in or open the app for CapCut and make sure that we're logged into our account as administrators. So as you can see here, here's what the dashboard looks like. And when we go to upload a new project, we'd first want to select the format for it. And in this case, because we're doing clips, we're going to need to work on a video file. And to do that, you guys would either click on create new right here, and you'll be met with three different formats being video, image, and magic tools, which uses AI. Now, in this case, I want to upload a video, so you could either click on that or select video from this selection right here and click on add new video. So this will actually take you to a new page where you get to upload a media file of your choosing to actually work on. So in my case, actually let me delete this because I'm going to do it from scratch again. Here we are. So if I were to upload a media file, I'm going to select something from my PC. So let's do the same video again. And it's actually quite simple to, let's actually span this first. Make sure that it's working just fine. Here we are. And the idea is if we're looking to select all the clips that we've made cuts to in our mobile app for CapCut or the desktop version, it's actually quite simple. So the first way I'll show you is using the desktop version. So if you were on this page right here, which is the editor, you guys would want to select the time span or the tracker for the video. So I would click on this, for example. And the thing about CapCut is it actually has built-in AI to detect which scenes are separate from the others. And all you have to do is select the actual video like so, and then you would click on split scene. So if you read it, it'll say automatically find scenes in video and split them into several clips. So I'm going to click on this, and you can see that everything is split differently into different segments from one video. And if you guys were on mobile or using the app for it, it's pretty much the same thing. You just want to click on this with your finger because it's you're on your phone and select this option that says split scene. Now to actually select everything on desktop, you would simply click on Control A, and you'll see that I have selected all of the clips right here. And you can do what you wish with it. You could add it to a new project. You could import it to a different scene. You could add filters to each one, and so on and so forth. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you guys are on mobile, you would have to hold down the whole thing, and so it'll show you a drop down where you have the option to select all. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.